Brandbook published the guidelines. Now, BrandLaunch builds the go-to-market plan, a complete 90-day roadmap in 3 phases: foundation and preparation, launch and momentum, growth and optimization. Activities, milestones, and timelines for each. The Metrics tab gives us a full KPI framework, plus a budget allocation across 6 channels. Risk and actions. 6 potential risks with mitigation plans. Strategic recommendations by priority. And quick wins to build momentum from week 1. Step 2. Everything your team needs to understand, adopt, and champion the brand. Brand Ambassador Training. 5 modules, half an hour each. Implementation guides for 5 departments: marketing, sales, customer service, HR, and leadership. Each gets objectives, responsibilities, implementation steps, and linked KPIs. Resources include searchable FAQs and a brand do's and don'ts library. And Communications gives us a ready-to-present launch meeting deck. Plus a 5-email rollout sequence. Step 3. Press materials and stakeholder communications. A full press release, AP style. Ember Stone unveils verifiable trail-sourced home fragrances. Plus a media kit summary with brand assets, press contacts, and a founder bio. Download it as a formatted PDF. Just add your company details. Stakeholder letters for 5 audiences: investors, partners, customers, suppliers, community. Each tailored, each with talking points. Plus public announcements for 12 channels and crisis communication scripts for 4 scenarios. Step 4. The social media campaign. Channel strategies for 5 platforms. A 30-day content plan across pre-launch, launch week, and post-launch. Hashtag architecture with 50+ tags organized by category. Engagement scenarios with do's and don'ts, and influencer outreach templates for micro and mid-tier creators. And here's the one interactive moment in the module: the social media post creator. Pick a platform, content type, visual style, and type a topic. The AI generates a branded post, image, caption, hashtags, and platform optimizations. The Details tab shows the concept, emotion, key messages, and hook driving the post. If we want a different shot, we regenerate. Every post we create is saved to the library for reuse. Step 5. The Marketing Materials Toolkit. 3 email templates for the launch sequence: announcement, follow-up, nurture. Three landing pages with full strategic context: archetype voice, audience hook, emotional trigger, value proposition. Add copy variants for Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Plus 5 elevator pitches, 1 each for investors, partners, customers, media, and internal recruitment. A brand one-pager with the tagline, problem solver, unique value, and features. And finally, the Content Transformation Studio. The same tool from Brand Voice, ready to rewrite any content in the brand's voice.